We have and continue to push for this, and we really appreciate the fact that we had genuine reasons to stand aside or keep this aside with the employer, and the reasons are known to you, particularly the COVID-19 as a reason, as what I was advised by SRC, that which we already can see is getting better. The economy is improving. So we have started and we want to push the employer so that we can have something on the table for our teachers. It is known to all of you that Treasury has already appropriated funds to boost Teacher Service Commission kitty for the same purpose. We are determined to have ourselves, the employer, and any other necessary stakeholder to expedite this discussion and have our teachers cushioned against the ravaging inflation that we all know. We have written to Teacher Service Commission over this matter. They have received our letter and we can confirm that. They have acknowledged and we have had initial meetings over the agreement to kickstart these negotiations. We believe that as the talks go on, we shall have quick solutions provided so that we have the matter resolved once and for all. And we want to be very particular. The last CBA catered so much on the administrators. You want to make sure this time around that the teacher in the classroom will also have a good chunk of what shall be added onto his/her salary.